Hello everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Chettinad Prawn Pepper Fry. This is a spicy, flavorsome, dry seafood dish, and also it's very simple to make. Let's see how to make this dish. First I'm going to roast a few ingredients. Coriander seeds, jeera, peppercorns, kalpasi, fennel seeds. So I'll be dry roasting this and then I'll be grinding this to a coarse powder. To the pan I'm adding oil, also adding some ghee. Next I'm adding curry leaves. Next ginger garlic paste. Let this cook for about a minute. So it's been a minute. I'm going to add chopped onions. I'm going to cook till the onions are slightly brown. So the onions have become brown. Now I'm going to add shrimp or prawn. To shrimp, I'm going to add the chettinad powder. We have not added red chilies in this because it's a prawn pepper fry. So I've added only pepper. Where you can even add chili powder, it's your wish. Turmeric powder, salt. Now I'm going to mix everything. So I'm going to let it cook in its own water, so it will take about 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, it's boiling. I'm going to add some coriander leaves. So I'm going to give this another 5 to 10 minutes, dry it up, and basically the dish is done. So easy, isn't it? So yes guys, Chettinad Prawn Pepper Fry is done, and I'm going to have this with some biryani. It's really a good side dish for biryani. Hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.